New at 5, people in a Williamsburg neighborhood are fired up because VDOT crews are tearing down the trees around their homes.
An early step in the process to widen Long Hill Road. 13 News Now reporter Nico Clemens learned more about neighbors' concerns.
One by one, trees are coming down on Long Hill Road in James City County, and neighbors have strong feelings about it.
There's a whole community here that is very upset about this.
It's all part of VDOT's Long Hill Road widening project. VDOT plans to widen the road in 3 phases. The first phase would widen the road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, from just east of Williamsburg West Drive to west of the Old Town Road Devon Road intersection. Dawn Ridgway lives in Ford's Colony. She drives Long Hill Road daily.
I noticed it gradually happening.
She agrees widening the roads is long overdue, but not like this.
I wish they would have been able to do it without taking away all the trees.
We found out today crews are removing trees to relocate utility lines.
It just makes me feel sad to see all the beautiful trees gone.
So VDOT is widening Long Hill Road to improve safety and relieve congestion, which has been a problem and concern through the years.
When they get out of work, it's busy.
The project is a result of a study completed in 2014. According to the DMV's Traffic Records Electronic Data System, there have been more than 70 crashes on just this first stretch of Long Hill Road since 2014.
People don't want to fight traffic every day, but on the other hand, we don't want to see our communities debeautified by taking the trees away.
The realization is setting in. We may have to lose in order to gain. In James City County, Nico Clemens, 13 News Now.